Hello sir, my name is Manimegalai. Now I am going to take about computer networks. Computer network, it can be used to connect more than one computer. The computer can be located anywhere. We can connect from one computer to another computer by using network. And next one is the LAN, MAN and WAN. LAN is a local area network. A network can be used for single room or single building or one campus. We can use LAN connection. For example, in a school we can use only a LAN connection. A network can be used in a city means we can use MAN connection, that is metropolitan area network. A network can be used from one country to another country means we can use WAN, that is wide area network. And another one is applications of network. A network can be used for resource sharing. Resource sharing means we can share the resource by using hardware and software. And next one is information sharing. Information sharing means we can use, by using network we can send files and a database. Search capability, we can use any information in a Google by using www, World Wide Network. And another one is communication. By using email we can communicate one person to another person, message broadcast. And another one is remote computing. Last one is distributed processing or grid computing. Next we can see network topology. A network topology is nothing but how the computer can be connected for other devices such as printers and some other devices. Network topology, we can use many topologies. We can see one by one. The first one is bus topology. In a bus topology, we can use a single cable. All the devices are connected. This is called bus topology. And another one is star and tree topology. A star topology is mostly used for local area network. We can see the picture, it's a form of star. And another one is tree topology. Larger network we can use the tree topology. The extended form of star topology is also called the tree topology. In a tree topology we can use some other devices called bridges, switches, routers. In this topology the traffic is very low, so we can easily send the messages from destination host. And another one is ring topology. Ring topology means it's a form a ring. We can send the data from one node to another node. It can be sent until it finds the destination node. The data it can be sent around the ring. There are two types of ring, single ring and dual ring. Single ring means the network, all the devices can be used for single cable. It is called single ring. Dual ring means it can be used. This topology data can be sent in both directions. And another one is mesh topology. Mesh topology, it can be used for connect all the devices. We can use mesh topology. It is also used in local area network and wide area network. It can be commonly used for banks and financial institutions because it can be is very difficult and this network is very expensive. So it can be used for special conditions. And another one is network components. Network components is nothing but we have to connect a network means we can use some components. First one is physical media. Physical media means nothing, it is a cable. And another one is interconnecting devices means for Connecting the network, we can use some bridges, routers, hub and modems. This is called interconnecting devices. And another one is computer, and another one is networking software. By connecting network, we can use some software. And last one is applications. Applications means a network can be used in many applications. For example, we can send the message from one person to another person by using email. Network can be used for e-commerce and video conferencing, chat groups and some others. Thank you, sir.